Take 4. Alright guys, this is Auditing Haverhill, Massachusetts, back again with another video, man. And I got some body cam footage here from the Cranston Police Department where they're on a chase, and I didn't edit the driving part of it. I wanted you guys to see the hand movements of this officer, the way his wrists are bending and how he's grabbing the steering wheel, and he's like gone from 0 to 100 already. You know that the officers don't like going on chases. This is very dangerous for them, very dangerous for the public, and I get it and I understand it. But when I notice me watching this body cam footage, this officer's hand movements, the way his wrists are bending, the way he's grabbing the steering wheel, and how upset he is that they're particularly on this chase. But take a look at the video, comment, like, and share. Don't forget to go to my store, check out the apparel I have there. Anything helps. I can use the support. It's not mandated. Like I said, once I get my store going, I will give out some prizes to the first 10 subscribers that become members. Okay? And every 10 after that. So yeah, man, join the membership group, and I'll be posting some videos there that are not going to be posted on my regular channel. These are going to be exclusive videos. All right? So thank you for your support. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys supporting me all day, every day. And I appreciate it. I really do. Doing this line of work is not easy. And those that do it, they know it's not easy. So I appreciate you guys viewing my stuff and giving me the likes, the shares, the comments. I respect all comments, whether it's negative or positive. I don't take offense to it. Everybody has the right to their opinion, and I respect it. All right? So, God bless. See you on the next one.
He's trying to ram us. 1050. He's still going. He's not going to the Providence on First Avenue.
Walk into Providence on Prudence.
Be aware, probably armed still. Westbound on Prudence.
Now going west on Prudence.
You 1050 to Cruiser, Prudence to Dyer.
1050 Prudence to Dyer to a cruiser.
Alright, we're going to be going north on Plainfield. Scratch that. Oh! Westbound Plainfield, like.
West on Plainfield.
Fuck! South on Plainfield.
Southbound on Plainfield.
Yeah, we're heading towards that, whatever.
Heading towards that one.
Almost just hit 2 pedestrians.
Transport.
Going head on with other cruisers.
Going head on with other crews.
There's 75, he's trying to hit me head on. Alright, we're still westbound Plainfield, towards that one.
West on Plainfield towards Atwood.
Still reaching around. Head on with multiple vehicles.
Head on with multiple vehicles.
Cranston, Fletcher, yeah.
Passing Fletcher.
Alright, coming up on Atwood. All advised. Alright, we're still going up Plainfield Bodycam. Going through Atwood Avenue.
Went through Atwood Avenue, up Plainfield.
142. We have the Johnson Estate closed down on ramp to 295.
Passing Marlow, Woodland.
Passing Marlow.
Passing Blue Jay.
Passing Blue Jay. Approaching Walmart.
Alright, we're gonna be coming to a stop on Walmart. Alright, we're at the highway, yeah. All right.
At the highway.
Still going west.
Still going west.
Ten fifty.
Location.
Still westbound. He's still up at 295.
Crash at 295.
Don't you fucking move! Hey! Don't you fucking move! Show me your fucking hands! Hey! Show me your hands now! He shot at me. We're done.
Hello, this is auditing Haverhill, Massachusetts, and this is the part when this officer that came in hot from the Cranston police station in Rhode Island, this is the part where he mutes his body cam, which is the first sign of guilt, as he was the one that shot first, giving commands while the sirens are louder than his voice, as you can see on the body cam footage. Mutes his body cam. Keep watching.